right, we know your customers love your products, but what exactly is keeping them coming back, right? We expect our customers to be loyal, but we forget we have to give them a reason. Think about it, right? When you go to Chick-fil-A, or even for my makeup girlies, Ulta, Sephora, it's not just the product or the fact that we're hungry, right? It's also the VIP perks, the discounts, the rewards that we get that also make us continue to go back, right? Your business should be no different. That's why this Wednesday we are discussing the Wix loyalty program. Welcome back to Wix Wednesdays. I am Dee of Dee Bella Designs, a web and branding agency where we don't just start businesses, baby, we build brands. Let's get into it. So you may be side-eyeing me like, Dee, this is not Chick-fil-A, nor Sephora, nor Ulta. I'm a small business. I can't just give people discounts. Yes, you can, and here's why. One, think about how many times those customers are going to return, right? As customers know that they have something to work towards, they're going to keep coming back to you. And as they keep coming back, you know what else is going to increase? Those sales, baby. And we care about the money on. So as customers know they are working towards these rewards, earning these points, they're also going to keep spending money along the way. And as your customers are engaged, it basically enhances your customer experience, right? Yes, they know they're getting their products, but they also know they're going to get additional as they continue to shop with you, thus making your brand loyal and trustworthy. Giving rewards make your customers feel valued, right? And that's what we want. And on top of that, on the back end, you're able to see the insights for your customers and understand your customer behavior to better market towards them. Now, if you're still sitting here like, okay, Dee, I hear you, but there are no buts about it. Let me show you just how easy it is to add to your Wix website. All right, so from the Wix dashboard, you want to head to customers and leads and then click on loyalty program. It will bring you to this page where you can learn more about the rewards program. Go ahead and click start now. This will bring you to the program info page where you can modify the program name, the points name, and your points icon. For this, you do want to keep in mind your brand messaging, your brand tone, and brand consistency. So you can make this something unique to your brand so that your customers are familiarized. When they see this, they know it's your business. For this example, I'm just going to keep it simple with some of the defaults and name it Dee Bella Loyalty Program. Continue, go ahead and click continue to set up. This will take you to the manage program page. On this page, you have your points, rewards, and email automations that you can set up from here. Under the points option, you currently have a bunch of point systems that were automatically set up by Wix. The first one, you have book a session. This basically means when someone books a session, they'll add 10 points automatically. If they order a plan, it'll be 1 point for every dollar spent. If they purchase a plan, it'll be 1 point for every dollar spent. If they sign up to the site, it'll be 50 points automatically added. For any one of these, if you want to change it, you can just go to add way to learn, or if you want to inactivate any of these, you can just slide over that button under the status column. Two additional ways you can have your customers earn points by if they follow you on social media. That is a way to reach your customers beyond just your website and have them follow you on social media platforms. You can also celebrate their birthday. So if you collect your customers' birthdays, once they come up, they can automatically earn points. Now let's talk rewards. There is one already set up where if your customers redeem 10 points, they'll get a $1 discount. But let's say you wanted to add more rewards, you can go to create reward on the right hand side, set up reward, and then fix reward. You can see here you have the option to apply a percentage discount, a dollar amount discount, or free shipping. You also can modify your reward name. Again, you do want to make it something unique to your business. For apply to, you can apply it to all products, specific categories. The choice is yours. And then at the bottom, you have your discount. and your cost and points, which you can modify as well to your liking. All right, let's head back to the loyalty program dashboard and go down to email automations. These are not on by default, so you do want to make sure you turn them on to make sure your customers receive an email when they first sign up for the loyalty program, to inform customers when they have enough points based on the reward system that you set up, and to remind inactive customers to use their points. You can modify the sequence of the emails or customize the look and feel of any one of them by clicking edit to the right of the email and then going to the email itself and clicking edit. As you can see here, this is what the default email looks like. You do want to modify this to match your brand consistency, remember. And that's pretty much it as far as setting up the Wix loyalty program goes. Once you're done modifying everything to your liking, you do want to make sure you hit launch program from that loyalty program dashboard. This will take you to your website in edit mode to make sure it's added to the front end as well. Now that was easy, right? See, I told you. And I promise it's going to be a game changer. So go ahead to your website, turn on the Wix loyalty program, and make sure you're turning those one-time customers into loyal customers. If you found this video beneficial, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you here next Wix Wednesday, where we highlight one Wix feature you need on your website. See you next time.